Hey guys, we're almost done to the last few songs. Hey, meron panta doon. So, masaya pa yung gabi. And thank you again for having us. Salamat, salamat. Sa lahat ng kumakanta, salamat, salamat. This next song is taken from the first album. This song is called Next Train Out. Understand my love. Sorry I had to pull the trigger. The time the question will linger, haunting us until you have to hide the line. Now it takes to me, so I have to go run as fast as I can. You're leading me on. Run, go on and run. Will this consume me? The path that I've taken on this journey. In time, the question will linger, haunting us until you have to lie, the lie. Now it takes me, so I have to go run as fast as I can. You're seething dead and gone, so I have to go run as fast as I can. Ooh, have you saved me? Relax, release. In time we'll see the stars that fall. I pray and wish upon in the moments of distress. We're healing from this and that, so I have to go run as fast as I can. Seething dead and gone, so I have to go run as fast as I can. Ooh, have you saved me?
Where's my beer?